everyone, welcome to today's intermediate gymnastics lesson. For today's lesson, we're going to be going over some drills to teach you your roundoff. To start off, we're going to go ahead and go with some basics for the roundoffs. First is going to be our hand placement. When we do this, it's really important to remember that our first hand is going to be a cartwheel hand, the next hand is going to be a roundoff hand. So this is what it should look like when you're on the floor going through your roundoff. Another way to remember this is like you're parking your car in your garage. So your first hand is the garage, second hand is the car. So you want to make sure that it's going towards the first hand. Good. Now for our ending of our roundoff, it's really important to remember that we want to be landing in our cat back shape. For this cat back shape, you guys want to make sure you have flat hips, our bottom is squeezing, and we're nice and rounded in our shoulders. Go ahead and show them. Good. I want you guys to realize how her ribs are still nice and flat as well as her hips, and it's just her shoulders rounding. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and move on to some actual drills for our roundoff. The first one we're going to do is a cartwheel step in, and we're going to end in that cat back. Now, through our cartwheel step in, make sure we're remembering our nice roundoff hands just like this. I'll have Caden show you guys a few so you can see what it looks like. Good, go ahead. Nice roundoff hands into our cat back. Beautiful, let's do two more to show them. Good, I want you guys to realize how fast she's getting her chest up out of this cartwheel step in. This is going to be really important for our roundoffs so we can try and avoid piking down out of our roundoffs. Good, all right, you guys at home, go ahead and do a set of 5 of these. Our next drill is going to be some roundoffs off of our panel mat. This is going to be a good aid so you guys can kind of learn how to get our chest up out of that roundoff without having to work too hard for it. Let's go ahead and do a set of 5, but Caden will go ahead and show you what it's supposed to look like first. So first foot starts on the panel mat, hands are going to go at the end, she's going to land on the floor over here. Go ahead. Good, I want you to realize how she's landing with nice flat hips and in that cat back shape. Go and show them one more. Good, awesome. Okay, the next step is we're finally just gonna do a plain old round off on the floor. When you guys do this, if you still need help and you haven't quite gotten it off the panel mat by yourself, you can have a parent help you. All they're gonna do is go ahead and follow your hips around, and when you need help popping off your hands to your feet, they're just gonna lift your hips until you get back to your feet. Let's go ahead and show them what a round off on the floor should look like. Good, I want you to realize how she's using those nice round off hands and she's landing in cat back. Now, when you guys land this round off in the cat back, make sure our heads aren't looking at the ground, because what's gonna happen is if you're looking down, you're gonna end up piking in the end of that round off. Let's show them one more. Good. All right, go ahead and do 5 of these round offs at home, and then that's it for our lesson today. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.